There was a movement on the internet they called the DIY. This movement is not political, like, say, communism or like labor parties, but it is very, very helpful. So, what is the DIY movement? The abbreviation of do it yourself is the method of building, repairing things by oneself without the direct aid of professionals or certified experts. Here you can see the DIY tools. Trying to explain as quickly as I can domains and fields for doing DIY. Say crafts like clay, ceramic, or maybe glass making. Glass making is as ancient as the pyramids. Carpentry, like say wood turning, souvenirs, sculptures, board games, musical instrument like guitar, violin, etc. Skateboard is made of wood, billiard cues, billiard table, and maybe furniture like this round table, chairs, beds, and benches. Uh, Maybe the entire cabin if you are advanced in DIY. 3D printing. Unfortunately, they have been talking about this printer since 2011, but nothing happened. They did not make it mainstream, say in libraries or imaging shops or centers, etc. So here I'm trying to make 3D printing part of a movement, not the vice versa, because some did exaggerate this technology by trying to make 3D printing organs or even molecules. Examples of 3D printing toys like Lego, Domino, maybe Meccano, dice, uh, models like this Pokemon, toys, this one with screws, puzzles, this one is called Hungarian rings, and maybe the bricks of a Rubik cube are made by 3D printing. Joysticks, footwears, this one is made of flexible materials. Mobile covers, made of flexible materials. Keyboards and buttons, prosthetics, prototypes for medicine, dinosaur specimens, skulls, bones, etc., meteorites or asteroid scans. Imagine they scan a sample in space and send it back to Earth with the speed of light, then printing it here on Earth. Architectural design, maybe airplane models and prototypes, even drones can be made of 3D printing. Other ideas of 3D printing: tripod for camera, buckles, key holder, robots, smoking pipe, hookah, bicycle, dildos and mask. 3D printing is actually sometimes 3D scanning. Here you can see whatever you might want in the link here in CAD files. CAD files are computer aided design files people make either by photographing the object too many times in 360 degree or by 3D modeling. Electronics like soldering, camping ideas like tent, scout knots, this one is called round lashing, other scout knots making ladder, fisherman, hangman, etc. Fishing net, bow for hunting, wicker products made of DIY by DIY, pine basket, primitive fire, water purification methods, Swiss knife, barbecue. Here is called the Thai barbecue, made by DIY. Primitive hut if you are smart. First aid is DIY. Wall paint, car mechanics like say changing the wheels. Cooking, here you can see kitchen tools. Gardening, like say lawn mowing, coiffure, knitting, Maybe sewing here they went further than reality. They are sewing actually a parachute. Uh, they are challenging reality. Thank you. If I forgot something, feel free telling me in the comment section.